the value of k and m such that system of equations, three equations are inconsistent if any one of four is possible here. You know the condition here. If delta is 0 and at least one of the determinant delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 are non-zero, then the given system of equation is inconsistent and has no solution here. In this case, delta must be 0 here. Therefore, here delta is equal to 0 implies here determinant of right here 3 2 minus k, 3 2 minus of k, 1 minus 2 3. So 1 minus 2 3, 1 2 minus 3, 1 2 minus of 3, that is equal to 0. Then expand this determinant here. So this implies 3 into 2 3s are 6 here and 3 2s are 6. Then 2 into minus 2 into 1 3s are 3 here, minus 3 minus 3 1s are 3. Then minus of k here into 1 2s are 2 here, minus of minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus minus become plus 2 here, that is equal to 0 here. So this implies this becomes 0 here. 3 plus 3 6, minus 6, 6 2s are 12 here, minus of 12, 2 plus 2 become 4, minus of 4k, that is equal to 0 here. Therefore minus of 12 is equal to 4k. Therefore the value of k is equal to 3 years. Okay, here minus into minus become plus here, so it is a plus 2. So 4s of 4 is cancelled here. The value of k is equal to 3 years. Later delta 1 here. Delta 1 is equal to determinant of, replace this first column at 10, 3 and 5 here. So 10, then 3 and 5m. 5m here. And the second column here 2 minus 2, 2 keep as it is. 2 minus 2 and 2 here. And the third column k value is 3 here. So write here 3. Minus of 3. Then it is a 3 and minus of 3 here. Then this is equal to, you can take a 2 common factor here and here minus 3 common factor. Therefore 2 into minus 3 determinant of so 10, then 3 and 5 m here. Here 2 common factor here, so 1 minus 1 and 1. Here you are taking minus 3 common factor, so 1 minus 1 and 1 here. And you know 2 columns are identical here, then value of the determinant becomes 0 here. So delta 1 becomes 0. Next delta 2 here. Delta 2 is equal to determinant of second column 3 1 1 keep as it is here. So 3 1 and 1 here. Replace this second column by, so 10 3 5m. So write here 10, then 3 and 5m here. And the third column k value is 3 here. So minus of 3, minus 3, 3 and minus of 3. Okay. You can take minus 3 common factor here. Minus 3 keep outside, determinant of 3, 1 and 1 here. Then write here 10, 3 and 5m. So 1 minus 1 and plus 1 here. So that is equal to. Then I expand it here. We can write here, so minus of 3 into bracket. So 3 1s are 3 minus 5m into 1 is 5m, minus minus plus 5m here. Okay, so 3 into right here. So 3 into, okay, 3 into bracket 3 plus 5m here. Then 10 into minus of 10 into bracket. So 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. Minus of 1 1s are 1, minus minus plus 1 here. Then plus 1 here. So 1 into bracket 1 into 5m is a 5m. So it is a 5m here. Then 3 1s are 3 plus 3. Therefore, this is equal to minus of 3 into bracket 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15 here, 15m. Then 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 into 10 becomes 20, minus of 20. Then plus 5m plus 3m. Therefore, this is equal to minus 3 into 15 plus 5 is 20, 20m. Then 9 plus 3, 12 here. 12 minus 20 is minus of 8 here. It is a minus of 8. Minus of 8. So 15, 9 plus 3 becomes 12 here. 12 minus 20 is minus of 8 here. Then take two common factor here. So therefore this equal to minus 6 into 10m minus of 2 common factor here. The remaining is 10m minus 4 here. So I made a mistake here because 5 into 1 5m here and 3 ones are 3. There should be minus here, not plus here. It is a minus of 3. Therefore this becomes a minus here. So 23 minus 23 plus 9 becomes a minus of 14 here. Then 2 common factor here. Then remain 7. Therefore here they given here at least one of the determinant delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 non-zero. Therefore it is non-zero means when it is possible then this should be not zero. Okay, therefore delta 2 is not equal to 0 if 10m minus of 7 is not equal to 0. Okay, delta 2 cannot be 0 because delta 1 already 0. Delta 1 is 0, delta 2 not 0, it is possible when this is not equal to 0. Therefore, take a minus 7 right hand side and that's it here. That is m is not is equal to 7 divided by 10. Therefore, k value is 3, m is not equal to 7 by 10. So, first option is 30. Okay, according to this condition here, at least one of the determinant delta 2, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 non-zero. Delta 1 is already 0. Delta 1 is already 0. Then delta 2 is the same here. So delta 2 cannot be 0 means this should be not 0. If this is not equal to 0 means m is not equal to 7 by 10. Okay. So let P is equal to the given matrix here of order 3, where alpha belongs to, suppose Q is equal to Qij is a matrix such that PQ is equal to K into I, where K belongs to, K is not equal to 0 and I is the identity matrix of order 3 here. If Q to 3 is equal to minus K upon 8 and the determinant of Q is equal to K square by 2 here, then the value of k square plus alpha square is equal to what here? It is a numerical problem here, as they are not giving any options here. So take this one here. So P into Q is equal to K into I here, where K is a constant here. If you take a P right hand side here, then Q is equal to, can write K into P inverse into I, identity matrix here. Therefore, this Q is equal to K here. Here P inverse means 1 upon determinant of P into adjoint of P into the identity matrix I here. Therefore, this is equal to, so write here K as it is here. Then the determinant of P here. So expand this here. So determinant of P becomes 3 into 0 into 0 becomes 0, then the minus of 5 alpha here. Then the minus of minus becomes plus 1 here. 2 into 0 becomes 0 minus alpha. Alpha into 3 becomes 3 alpha. Then the minus of 2 here. Then 5 2s are 10 here. Minus of 10, 0 to 3 becomes 0. Okay. Therefore, 5 3s are 15 here. So minus of 15 alpha, minus of 3 alpha, minus of 3 alpha, 10 2s are 20 here, minus of 20. So minus 15 minus 3 minus 8 here. So minus of 20 minus of 18 alpha. Therefore, the determinant of P is equal to so here 5 into alpha become minus 5 alpha, minus minus plus 5 alpha, therefore it is 15 alpha here. 15 minus 3 becomes 12 alpha. Is the plus 12 alpha. Okay. Therefore, in this case, minus into minus become plus here. It is a plus here. So plus 20 plus 20 alpha 12 alpha here. Therefore, determinant of P is 20 plus 12 alpha here. Then into adjoint of the matrix here. You know, suppose P is the matrix here. Then P inverse is 1 by determinant of P into adjoint of P. 1 upon determinant of P here. Adjoint of P is transpose of the cofactor matrix here. So transpose of these elements here means write in the column. Then cofactors of these elements right here in the column. Cofactor of these elements right in the column here. So they are already given here Q23 is a minus K by 8 here. So find this value. Okay. Not find a remaining value. So keep as it is here. Not find a remaining value. You find only this value because they are already given Q23 is a minus K by 8 here. We want this here. Means 3 plus 2 become 5 here. 5 is an odd number. So write here minus of. Deleting the third row, second column here. Deleting this third row and a second column. 3 into alpha becomes 3 alpha. So write here 3 alpha minus alpha. 2 2s are 4 here, minus minus plus here, plus 4 here. And remaining elements will not find it here. Right? Means only this one. I is identity matrix here. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 here. 0 0 1. Okay. Therefore, here multiply this row with a column here. So this into this becomes minus of 3 alpha plus 4 here. Therefore, Q23 already given here. So given that Q23 is equal to minus of K divided by 8 here. Q23 means this term into this term here. So therefore, minus sign is there. You can take here K. Take a minus inside here. Minus of 3 alpha plus 4 here. Divided by 20 plus 12 alpha. 20 plus 12 alpha is equal to minus of K divided by 18. Okay. Even you can take this minus outside only. Write this minus outside here. Minus of this K into 3 alpha plus 4 divided by 20 plus 12 alpha is equal to minus K by 18. Minus K and this minus K get cancels here. Then you can take 4 common factor in the denominator. So 3 alpha plus 4 divided by. So 4 is a common here. 4 5s are 20 plus 4 3s are 12 here is equal to 1 by 8 here. Then 4 1s are 4 2s are cancels here. Then we cross multiply. 2 3s are 6 here. 6 alpha 4 2s are 8 plus 8 is equal to 5 plus 3 into alpha. Therefore 6 alpha minus 3 alpha becomes 3 alpha. 3 alpha here. Take 8 that 5 minus 8 is the minus of 3. Therefore alpha is equal to minus of 1. Therefore the value of alpha is minus 1. Then you find the value of K. Okay, you know this formula, determinant of k into a is equal to k raised to n into determinant of a, where n is the order of the matrix here. Determinant of adjoint of a is determinant of a raised to n minus 1. Again, n is the order of the matrix here. Using this result here, take this one as equation number 1 here. So from 1 here, determinant of q here, because they already given here. Determinant of q is k square by 2. So we will find determinant of q, that is equal to determinant of k divided by determinant of p into adjoint of p into I, taking a determinant on both sides here. Then here suppose if k is a constant here, then k raised to n into determinant of a here. So using that property here, so k raised to here 3, because the order of this matrix is a 3 here. K raised to 3 upon determinant of p raised to 3 here. 3 is the order of the matrix here. Then determinant of adjoint of p into determinant of I. Therefore k cube divided by determinant of p cube into, and determinant of adjoint of a is this one here, using that formula. So this becomes a determinant of p raised to square here, because order of the matrix is a 3 here. Then 3 minus 1 becomes a 2 here into determinant of I. Determinant of I. And also you know determinant of I is always 1 here. This becomes 1. Here these to get cancels here. Therefore remaining is k cube divided by determinant of p here. This becomes 1 here. This upon this here, we get a determinant of p. Therefore this is equal to, okay, but determinant of q is equal to k square upon 2 here. K square divided by 2, they already given. Therefore determinant of q is this here. So k cube divided by determinant of p is equal to k square divided by 2. Then take determinant of p that side here, k square cancels, so k is equal to determinant of p divided by 2. And you know that determinant of p is this here, 20 plus 12, but alpha value is minus 1, so use here. So determinant of p becomes 12 plus 20 plus 12 into minus of 1 divided by 2. Okay, so determinant of p is this here. Alpha value is minus 1, so 20 plus 12 into minus 1 here. 20 minus 12 becomes 8 here, 8 by 2. Then 8 upon 2 becomes 4 here. Here we want k square plus alpha square. Therefore k square plus alpha square is equal to, k value is 4 here, 4 square is 16. Alpha is minus 1, so plus 1 here, that is equal to 17 here. So 17 is the required result here.